Okay, hopefully the lighting is good for you guys. I hate the shadows, but I don't have my umbrellas. So it's just gonna have to be whatever it is. So in this video, I'm bringing you guys another Planner Envy subscription box. Now, a couple of disclaimers. I honestly don't know if I'm gonna continue. How do I open this? Getting this box. I knew, if you guys remember from the first video, I talked about not really being like into the monthly kits, and it's really hot in here. I need a drink. So I talked about not really being into the monthly kits and like the themed holiday kits. And I knew summer was going to be a bad time to join because I felt like it was just going to be super like themey. And of course it was. The last one that I got was all like beach 4th of July kind of thing. And that was for the month of June. This is supposed to be like the July box. And so I have a feeling it's going to be more July themed stuff. I did not look at any of the sneak peeks that she provides on her Instagram. So let's just get into it. I think I'm honestly going to give it one more shot. I'm going to get the August box and see how I like it, and then maybe go from there. I might cancel it over the holiday season, maybe go to September, and then not maybe October because I really love Halloween, but not get the November and December kits just because I really don't want a lot of Christmas kits. I'm not I know I've talked about this before in some of my other planner videos about not being like a really heavy holiday themed decorator in my planner. And so I don't want a whole bunch of like red and green kits. So let's get this stuff out real quick. Okay, so far I'm really liking this. She always has a bunch of this crinkle stuff, but I just recycle it so it's not too big of a deal. Okay, so I've got 3 kits again and 3 sets of paper clips. So the first one is this jumbo one, which I'm absolutely loving. I've been looking for these jumbo paper clips everywhere. And this is a cute ice cream cone. The stitching on these are always so good. I don't know if she makes them herself or if somebody makes them or if she orders them, but they're always good quality. So there's that one. Then I got this cute, oh, it dangles. This gold one with, oh, it moves. You can see that? Look at how cute that is. That is so fun. I feel like it's a little much for me, but this is adorable. Oh my gosh. Okay. Then, if I can get this stupid thing back, my hands, because I've just been doing so much crafts lately, my hands don't work. And then you've got sharks. So I have a feeling there's going to be a shark kit in here because of this, which I'm really not into. I mean, they're cute. I'll probably still use the paper clips, but, you know. So we've got 3 shark paper clips there. Okay. I'm going to turn these over. The first kit is this snack kit or sweets. This is super cute. I'm actually really loving this one, and I will probably use this one. This is the first week in Erin Condren planner, which there's not going to be a plan with me this week, so I think I'm going to do another type of video, but you guys will see that later. So here's what it looks like. You've got your full boxes. I absolutely love this one. This is gorgeous, right up my alley. You've got your headers here, appointments and meetings, some, what are these called? Dots? These, I don't know, cute little flags or check flag thingies. Some more check strips, functional stickers, flags. This is really cute. I can totally see myself using a lot of stuff on here. Lots of sidebar stuff like that. Little much because that won't all fit on the sidebar, but I like the idea. Super cute. Are these full boxes? Yeah, these are like some really large boxes down here. I thought it might have been washi, but it's not. You can see the background on these is like, you can still see like the ice cream cone and stuff. Really like that. And then the washi page, super cute. I love it. Some more full boxes here, washi. We could have used some more washi instead of so many full boxes. I feel like that's a little much, but that's okay. This is a 4-page kit. Remember, the Planner Envy subscription box is 24 bucks a month, or 25. So the next one we have is another beach one. If you guys remember, the last one was also kind of like beachy themed as well. Which, I mean, it's fine. I know a lot of people live near the coast. So you've got full boxes, again, with your your functional dots, I guess they're called, headers, appointment labels. You got your check flags again, lots of functional stuff on here. I love the little martini on this one. This is still super cute. This would still work. I mean, I don't live near a beach, but you know, it is what it is. I feel like this is different than last month because I don't recall there being so much sidebar stuff. Lots of full boxes again, half boxes. Then your washi page, really major beach themed. You can see all the sand castles and sunglasses. What are these? Sunscreens? Are those little sunscreens? Maybe, I can't tell. And the little VW bug. So it's still really cute, perfect for summer. And then the last one. Yep, just like I thought. To match the paper clips, you have Shark Week, which I guess it's Shark Week. I'm probably one of the only people who doesn't watch Shark Week. So I think I will probably be maybe giving this away. I have a giveaway pile, a couple giveaway piles, because I'm planning on doing a couple of giveaways. So we'll see how that turns out. This is only a 2-page kit. So you've got, again, lots of full boxes, headers. I love the blue and gray theme of it. Your check strips, oh my god, look at those check strips, are shark fins. That is adorable. And then your functional stuff, some meal planning ones, lots of flags, some habit trackers. So yeah, there it is. That is the July Planner Envy subscription box. Hopefully this video is kind of short, sweet, to the point. This is a really cute one. I could see myself using most of the things in here, just not all of them. Like I said, I am building up a giveaway pile for when I reach 100 subscribers, and depending on the winner, you'll either win a pile of planner stuff or you will win a diamond painting. So, because I know since I started posting my diamond painting videos, my subscriber count has literally doubled since I started posting those videos. And so I felt like I should just offer the person one or the other, since clearly they're not all planner people that are here watching the videos. So yeah, there you guys have it, and I have a couple more videos to record today, so hopefully I can get those done, and I'll see you guys in the next one.